Money is already part of your life, even if you do not think about it much. It shows up when you buy snacks, pay for a game upgrade, save for headphones, or plan for a school trip. Finance starts the moment money touches your choices. Before modern money, people often traded one item directly for another. That system is called barter. It sounds simple at first, but it quickly becomes difficult when people do not want the same things at the same time. Imagine you have apples but want shoes. The person with shoes might not want apples, they might want bread, and the baker might want something else. That is the big problem with barter. Matching needs is slow and messy. Money made trade much easier. Instead of finding the perfect trade partner, you can sell what you have for money and then use that money to buy what you need. Money acts like a universal shortcut for exchange. A lot of people think money is the goal. But really, money is a tool. It helps you get things, solve problems, plan ahead, and create more choices in life. The first main job of money is being a medium of exchange. That just means money can be used to buy goods and services. You give money, and in return you get something useful or enjoyable. The second job of money is storing value. You do not have to spend it immediately. You can keep it for later and use it when the right time comes, like saving now for something bigger in the future. The third job of money is measuring value. Prices help us compare things. If one item costs $20 and another costs $80, money gives us a common language for comparing them. Money can be physical, like coins and bills in your wallet. Cash is easy to see and count, which makes it a simple way to understand spending. For many people, cash is their first real experience with money. Money can also be digital. It can sit in a bank account, move through a debit card, or be used on a phone app. Even though you do not always see paper bills, the money is still real because it represents value you can use. Money works because people trust it. Stores accept it, banks track it, and apps move it because everyone agrees it has value inside that system. Without trust, money would just be paper, metal, or numbers on a screen. Finance means managing money decisions over time. It includes earning, spending, saving, giving, and growing money. So finance is not some distant adult topic. It is the skill of handling money on purpose. Money has to come from somewhere, and that part is called earning. Teens may earn through chores, tutoring, part-time jobs, helping neighbors, selling something they make, or creating content. Earning is how money enters your system. Spending is the part most people notice first. But smart spending is not just buying things. It is choosing where your money goes and deciding whether something is useful, fun, urgent, or not worth it right now. Saving means keeping some money instead of using it right away. Saving helps you build towards something bigger, like a laptop, a bike, or emergency cash. It turns waiting into progress. Money is not only personal, it can also be used to help others. Giving could mean buying a gift, supporting family, donating to a cause, or helping your community. That makes money part of your values too. Investing is different from saving. Saving protects money for later, while investing tries to grow money over time. We will go deeper into this later, but for now, just remember that investing is about long-term growth, not instant results. A lot of money problems do not come from one giant purchase. They come from lots of small automatic purchases. A snack here, a subscription there, and a game item later can quietly drain more money than you expect. Good money habits create options. When you have money saved, you can say yes to opportunities more easily. Maybe that means taking a class, buying something useful, handling a surprise expense, or simply feeling more prepared. Bad money habits do the opposite. If all your money disappears as soon as you get it, your goals get delayed and your stress can rise. Less planning usually means fewer choices. Small choices repeated many times can change your future. Spending $5 every day may feel tiny in the moment, but over weeks and months, it adds up. Saving small amounts works the same way in a positive direction. A smart money system can be simple. Earn some money, spend some intentionally, save some for goals, give some if you choose, and later learn how to grow some. A system helps you stay in control instead of guessing each time. Learning finance early is a huge advantage. You do not need to wait until you are older to build strong habits. Starting early gives your decisions more time to work in your favor. The most important message in this chapter is this: finance is a skill. You do not need to be born good at it. You learn it, practice it, improve it, and use it to build a stronger future. Today, you learned what money is, why it matters, and how finance shapes everyday life. If you enjoyed learning with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more exciting chapters ahead. We're just getting started, and the next chapter will help you make even smarter money choices.